Assalamu alaikum. The European Union delegation to Libya is proud to support Rebuild, a partnership between European regions, Libyan municipalities and universities. From Tripoli to Benghazi, from Sabha to Zintan, our support is helping national and local leaders respond to the needs of their communities. With our institutional partners, we are investing in the future of Libya. We are strengthening the skills of municipal staff and delivering concrete projects that make a difference, like improving water quality and supporting fish certification that allows exports to the European Union. Through training, innovation, and collaboration, we are laying the foundations of a more decentralized, resilient, and prosperous Libya. This is what the European Union partnership with Libya looks like, a partnership of opportunities.
In 2015, Libya was facing major challenges, but its communities showed extraordinary potential, ready to imagine and build new possibilities. A number of Libyan mayors reached out to European local authorities, seeking support in building alliances to help strengthen the process of decentralization, meaning the shift of competences from the central government to local authorities, enabling them to finally carry out the roles and responsibilities formally assigned to them under Law No. 59 of 2012. Out of this urgent need for support and connection, the Nicosia Initiative was born, a space for exchange and cooperation between Libyan and European cities, supported by the European Committee of the Regions, with the aim of improving basic service delivery through training and capacity building for local officials. Out of a major challenge came many opportunities, fueled by the curiosity, dedication, and creativity of a growing number of people who have worked together and continue to join forces within several projects, including Rebuild.
الاسم فرج نجم منسق بلديات الشرق بنغازي وطبرق. مشروع ريبيلد مشروع أثبت ريادته، حيث وفر لنا المساحة لكي نلتقي مع بلديات ليبيا الأخرى التي قلما نلتقي مع بعضنا البعض في أرض الوطن، لكن أيضا اطلعنا من خلال هذه الزيارات على مشاريع.
In 2021, the autonomous province of Trento, in collaboration with the International Cooperation Centre in Trento and with the support of the European Union, established an important partnership with Friuli Venezia Giulia and 10 Libyan cities: Zawiya, Benghazi, Beni Walid, Garian, Sebha, Sirte, Tobruk, Tripoli, Zintan, and Zliten. It may seem like a sophisticated recipe, but gradually and carefully the ingredients come together for the common good. The first ingredient is the Trentino experience in territorial development, starting with the establishment of a relationship of trust between the administration and its citizens. The second is Friuli Venezia Giulia's vocation for the development of marine resources and its expertise in fishing industry. Another crucial ingredient is training people who can operate effectively across national and international networks and who can foster development that respects and builds on the specific identity of each area, while valuing the differences and peculiarities of each.
Credo che nei prossimi anni la Libia si trasformerà attraverso le municipalità. I sindaci non c'erano fino a qualche anno fa in Libia e anche il modello con cui sono stati eletti li rende sostanzialmente l'unica autorità eletta dai cittadini in questo momento, in questa fase storica. Quindi sono diventati un riferimento per le loro popolazioni. Ho avuto modo di passeggiare per Tripoli così come per Benghazi e sono delle figure riconosciute all'interno del contesto sociale.
To improve basic services in Libya by strengthening the skills of municipal staff, the Rebuild project, in dialogue with the Libyan Ministry of Local Government, relies on the role of Libyan universities through a permanent training of trainers mechanism.
مشروع ريبيلد هو مشروع لبناء القدرات ومساعدة البلديات على البناء المؤسسي. بلدية بن وليد استفادت كثيرا من هذا المشروع في بناء قدرات موظفيها والتشبيك بين الجامعة والبلدية، وهي فكرة المشروع الرئيسية.
Including a new actor, or rather 10 different universities, certainly added complexity to the program. But it was also an important opportunity to support municipalities in the challenging task of bridging theory with reality. This sparked a shared reflection on how to change the way things are done, leading to the definition of goals that are both collective and specific to each local context. Rebuild has found spaces to work together, reducing the distance between Europe and Libya, but also between universities and municipalities, and between the municipalities themselves. Even the mayors, who were institutionally distant from one another, managed to put aside their differences and work together in the decentralization process initiated at the national level.
الحقيقة في مشروع ريبيلد نفتخروا أننا استطعنا أن نكون شركة، استطعنا أن نكون فريق للتدريب، استطعنا أن نجاروا التجارب النجاح.
La necessità fondamentale è quella di dare continuità alle relazioni, perché si è generato un clima di grande fiducia e anche di grande amicizia fondamentalmente sul piano umano, quindi in questo bagaglio di relazioni entrambi i territori non possono avere che da guadagnare, insomma, in prospettiva.
Relationships have been established at all stages, political and administrative, theoretical and operational, for the exchange of information and awareness raising within the Rebuild community.
استطعنا أن نشتغل على مدى 5 سنوات بدون مشاكل، بل بالعكس قدرنا أن ندلوا كل الصعاب.
At the same time, several initiatives were carried out thanks to the collaboration and commitment of many people within Rebuild's partner institutions. A pilot project on fisheries, led by the autonomous region of Friuli Venezia Giulia with the technical support of the National Institute of Oceanography and Applied Geophysics in Trieste, involved the 5 coastal cities Benghazi, Sirte, Tobruk, Tripoli and Slitten. Another pilot project focused on drinking water quality, led by the autonomous province of Trento with the technical contribution of the University of Trento, engaged the other 5 partner cities, Azawiya, Beni Walid, Garian, Sebha and Zintan. A long journey has been made on both sides of the Mediterranean, with the contribution of everyone. Many success stories have been shaped by the commitment, creativity and passion of the people involved, who have played key roles at different times and in different ways within the Rebuild community.
فكانت الاستفادة حقيقة استفادة واضحة والتجربة كانت ناجحة، ومشروع ريبيلد هو مشروع حقيقة يحتذى به. استفدنا منه كثيرا في رفع كفاءة الموظفين المحليين داخل البلدية، وفي الإصلاح البيئي تم تزويدنا طبعا بمعمل مياه.
Building on the experience shared, the professional and personal relationships formed over the years, and aware of shared meanings, the Rebuild team is ready to explore new paths and face the challenges to come.